Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and call someone on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first of all, simply go ahead, go to App Store and type in Instagram and see if it's updated or not, because sometimes if it's not, then you might get some interruption between the calls. You can see now our app is simply updated. Now we can tap on this open. Afterwards, go ahead, tap on this message icon on top right corner of the screen. Now go ahead, simply choose a friend of yours, and now you can see this two call options on top right. You can simply go ahead and make an audio call by tapping on this option and a video call by tapping on that particular option. Simply by tapping on them, you will be able to place a call to them, and you will be able to simply chat with them whenever you would like. Make sure that a person is also online and in the reach of internet, so they can receive and have a chat with you when you place a call to them. And that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.